Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to order from CNFans. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now let's jump straight into it. So first thing first, you wanna head over to the CNFans app. From there, go ahead and create an account. And once you're in, now it's time to shop. Let's say you wanna buy this. Click on the one you like, and then choose either add to cart or buy now. Now, if you hit buy now, you'll be asked to pick a few things. You want to choose your color, your size, and how many you want. Make sure everything's right so you don't end up with the wrong item. After that, you'll see your order summary. Double check the total, and then make sure your delivery country is selected. And when everything's good, you can hit checkout button. Next up is payment. You can pick whatever works for you. Now, all you gotta do is finish your payment info by hitting the buy now button and enter your shipping address. Once that's done, just follow through with the final payment step, and once your payment goes through and your address is confirmed, your item's on its way. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.